Well, I'm glad you asked. This is what we call a campfire pizza. I'm going to show you for $18.99. You can snack all weekend long when you go camping. Get you some of that plain old white bread, put it down on the pizza cooker that we bought from Walmart, and I put under that some of that parquet spreadable butter, and then on top of the bread we put down some of that pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese. Then you go down with lots of pepperoni, and then you want to fold it over as carefully as possible. Yeah, one got loose there, so we put it back in, and then you're going to clamp it together, and then you're going to stick it in the open campfire. It's going to take about 3, maybe 4 minutes. Then you're going to pull it out, check it, then flip it over. Then you're going to let it finish cooking on the other side. And this is something that we've been doing for years every time we go camping. Pull it out. Sometimes the edges get a little bit crispy, but hey, this is delicious. It cost us $18.99 to snack all weekend. Campfire pizza. Super delicious, easy to make, not super healthy, but we eat it once a year. Enjoy.